Entomology is the study of insects. They are the most abundant form of animal life on Earth. Insects can be used to model many scientific principles, and you'll find a variety of potential cross-curricular activities with insects that connect science with art, math, language arts, and social studies. The objectives of this course are to give educators basic information about insects and methods on how to use insects in the classroom. This course is an exciting, hands-on introduction to entomology for teachers. You will learn not only the basic content about insects, but also fun activities to make the material come alive. Some activities you will do in this course are building an insect model, creating an insect collection, caring for an insect pet, a beetle maze, and more fun projects for the classroom.